here today with Spice. They use they, them pronouns. We have AWP right here. It smells like ganja. Do you smoke to write?
No, I just sell it for extra money.
Oh, that's so smart.
Yeah. These.
Sour satellite wafers.
Snacks.
Sugar.
If you can't leave your panel and you need some nourishment.
What is this? Dear Tipsy and Spice, please distribute these gold pieces to the disabled people. They are never represented as keynote speakers. Kisses, Mr. Man.
He spelled our names wrong.
I know. He's so bad at spelling.
But we don't know any disabled people.
I don't know any disabled people. But I will do it. It's fair. They pay registrations every single year.
Right.
And they don't see themselves represented in the 42 keynotes. Let's play it out. Okay. I don't want to play the disabled person. So do you mind?
No, I'll do it.
Okay. Are you disabled?
If I'm more disabled, do I get a bigger coin?
You do.
Okay. I'm very disabled.
On behalf of all the writers at AWP, we want to give you some money because you are not represented as any of the keynotes.
Thank you.
I love the Marriott pool because no one's there. All the writers are being so diligent.
I skipped panel. Ended up at the bar all day.
Amazing!
Amazing.